Let's make something sweet and simple. Strawberry Crumb Bars. They're buttery, sweet, crumbly, and bursting with strawberry flavor. Start by grabbing a large bowl. Add in your flour, half a cup of sugar, a bit of baking powder, cold, cubed butter, and just the egg yolk. Mix everything together until you get a soft, crumbly texture, like coarse sand. Now for the filling, slice up some fresh strawberries and toss them with the remaining half cup of sugar, plus a spoonful of cornstarch. Mix well until the berries are glossy and evenly coated. Take 2/3 of the crumb mixture and press it firmly into the bottom of a 12 by 8-inch baking dish. This will be your golden, buttery base. Now spoon the strawberry filling on top, spreading it out evenly, then sprinkle the remaining crumbs over the strawberries. No need to be perfect. A little rustic is just right. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit for about 40 to 45 minutes until the top is golden and your kitchen smells amazing. Let it cool completely before slicing. Serve just as it is, or take it to the next level with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. These bars are sure to become a favorite. Enjoy!